All right, so Nick, I have your quad finished. I'm not gonna do much of a video on this really because I know you're gonna do one. So just want to show it real quick. I wanted to show what parts I used, where the bind button is, whatnot. I'm sure you can figure it out yourself because you're a pro. But ow, 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 ow. Okay. All right, sorry about that. You got an XM Plus in here. From back here, you can see it right there. It's sandwiched in between the VTX and the flight controller. So the bind button's sticking out the back. You can get to it from right here, no problem. That's how I bound it. All right. So for everybody else, this is a Maximus FPV Minuteman frame. It's badass looking. He did an amazing job on the prints. They look so good. The multicolors, man, it just, video and pictures don't do it justice at all. I mean, you got to see it in person to really know how good it looks. So let's go through the parts real quick. Okay, so we got the Minuteman frame. We got the Rotorex 1404 6500 kV motors. We got the Mamba F4 stack. We got a Unify Pro 32 on its own board. On the very top there. We got the XM Plus. We got a cap in the back, XT30 right here. And we got a Foxeer Falcor camera and a TrueRC Singularity antenna. Turned out pretty awesome. I mean, I want to keep it. I just want to keep it. I want to go fly it 50 times right now. It's just so nice looking. You might notice I have a 2S battery on here. The only reason I did that is because I had this battery sitting here on my table and I was curious if it would fly on 2S, and it does, so that's pretty cool. So if you think about it, 2.5-inch prop, 6500 kV on 2S, it's not gonna be insane, but it flies pretty nice. Yeah, it's not bad at all. So where it's gonna really shine though is 3S. You stick a 650 3S on here and it's gonna be a rocket ship. So I can't wait to see you fly this thing. Have fun with it. Hopefully you love it. I flashed the receiver for RSSI and I put it in the OSD, so you got RSSI. I flashed the flight controller to the newest one. It was 3.5.7. This frame's pretty awesome. It's 125 millimeters motor to motor. It's 3 millimeters thick, so it's pretty beefy. You can see on the sides there how juicy thick it is, like a thick steak. It's nice and stiff. It's got a really nice TPU canopy. I mean, Maxwell really knows how to print TPU pretty well. You get the nice arm protectors. These arm protectors are designed so good. I mean, just look at that. It's just so perfect. It just snaps over the top of the arm and it just stays in place even with no motor on there. It like locks in place, so really nice. This canopy is really nice. My stack isn't that tall. You get pretty decent height. I don't know if these standoffs, they look like they're 20 millimeter, maybe 25. I think they're 25. Might as well check. Oh, maybe not. I guess it is 20. Okay, so they're 20 millimeter standoffs. So you get 20 millimeters, which is plenty, you know, for, as you can see here, I mean, just the 4-in-1 and the flight controller, there was all that space left, but I used some standoffs and then put that board on there with the Pro 32 VTX. So plenty of room. You can see the camera has plenty of room up front too to get as much angle as you want. It looks like the buzzer's in the way, but it's not. You can just push that out of the way and tilt it as far up as this will let you go anyway. It's at like pretty much what I would fly it at right now. It's like 25 degrees or so. Pretty nice. So I have it bound up to my radio already.
Welcome to OpenTX.
yeah, let me show you the video and do a little hover, and I'll get this shipped out to you. I don't think I even checked the video yet. Hopefully it works. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's make sure. Yep, you got your battery voltage, your RSSI, which is working now. You can see it moving around there. And then timer. That's just how I like it. I mean, you can put it however you want, but yep, RSSI is working, so that's good. Alright, let's get this turned around and do a little hover. I think I'll try this on 2S and 3S just to show. Alright, so keep in mind, this is 2S. Damn. Whoa, that thing's got some punch. So quiet too. Man, that is flying really nice. Battery's dead. Let me grab a 3S real quick. Damn, that thing had some nice punch though, and I can't believe that's just 2S. It's crazy. Alright, I don't know how much juice is in this battery, but I also put some Uma grip on the bottom there, so that's going to be real nice for you. I ran out of battery straps. I don't know what happened, but I'm out of battery straps. I only have this little one right here, and it's actually a little bit too small, but I'm sure you have plenty of battery straps. Alright, let's try this out. So here's 3S. This is what you're going to want to fly it on, but 2S seem pretty nice too, though, so. You could actually fly it on 4S if you wanted to. Alright, so here's 3S. Whoa, damn. It's flying so smooth, man. That's crazy. Look at that. Damn. Dang, man, that is nice. God, I'm jealous, man. I gotta build myself one. That is nice, though. Dang. Those 1404s, man, they're crazy, because somehow they're magically just way more efficient than like an 1106. It's just crazy. They're not even warm. Yeah, you're gonna have some fun with this one. I hope you like it. I really do. So I'm gonna get this. Oh, you're gonna really like that camera too. I think you've probably already reviewed one or used one before, but I really like that camera. So the Falcor is awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna get it boxed up. I'll send you over some tracking and let you take it from there. All right, thanks, Nick.